Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix opening soon page on Shopify. So if you have set a password for your Shopify and now you want to remove it so that you can launch your Shopify store, I'm going to be showing you how you can do that in a few seconds, and this is going to be an easy tutorial. Now before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video, and let's get started right now. Now to fix a Shopify opening soon, now you just need to go to your own Shopify store. Just log in into your Shopify store. This is going to be a very easy tutorial. So after guys you log in into your Shopify store, just like choose which Shopify store you want, or choose which Shopify store you have a problem with, okay, where you want to remove the password so that you can launch your Shopify store. All right, now after you are on this page, after you are on your Shopify dashboard, click on online store here, as you can see. After guys you click on online store, and then you want to click on here, okay, where it says preferences. As you can see at the bottom here in the online store, you can see here preferences. Now as you can see, you will find here this like yellow yellow text that says here your online store is password protected. Okay, so you want to remove this password, you just need to scroll down, okay, and here where it says restrict access to visitors with password, you want to uncheck it and check this box. Okay, or toggle it off, click on save. Now after that you want to scroll down and you want to remove this password. As you can see, just remove it and then click on save, and now your Shopify store will be available to everyone. Like I said, just need to come to this section where it says password protection and check this, and then remove the password and then click on save. Make sure you save your changes. Now I'm going to go to the Shopify store I have a problem with, which always displays opening soon. Now I'm going to reload this page. As you can see, the password soon page has been removed. Now we don't have a password anymore. As you can see, these are the products we have on our Shopify store. Now if this video guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Keep in mind that this is only going to be possible after you pick a plan on Shopify. So the free trial, it doesn't really work. So the remove password text will be buried. You will not be able to click on it, so you will have to pick a plan before you can solve this problem that says opening soon. Hopefully this video guys helped you. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.